So in a previous video, we covered how to start a new project if you're on a PC computer. This time, we're going to cover the project setup for a new Unity project if you are a Mac user. So if you locate your Unity icon and open up your Unity Hub, like I have here, if you don't have this or you're looking for it, you can do the Alt spacebar to bring up the spotlight, and then I can search for my Unity Hub, and then I can open up the Unity Hub that way as well. So if you don't have this one, let's say I went ahead and close this out. I go ahead and do Alt spacebar, and I'll type in Unity Hub, so I can open up the Unity Hub application for the first time. Now that we have Unity Hub, the process to get a new project is a similar setup as the Windows or PC computer. The only difference is where are you going to locate and put your project. So for instance, if I was to go to New Project, just like the other one, we're going to go ahead and go with a 3D core. It's going to want to know where should we put this project. So this will be our test project. The location. I've already created a specific location for all my Unity projects. This may be different for you for the location. I'm going to go ahead and click on the folder here to go to the File Explorer. And normally you're going to have a different location that you want to put your projects in. I already created a Unity folder for all the different Unity projects that I have created. You may have this home icon, which I'd recommend to go ahead and put your projects there. I'm going to make a new folder here. We'll label this Unity. And I'm going to create that folder for the location. I want to go ahead and select this folder. So that way all my projects will be created in this location, test project. And I'm going to go ahead and create that project. And we're going to go ahead and let this run. This could take anywhere from a couple minutes to possibly 10 minutes, depending on your processing speed of your computer. And so once this is all done and finished, then we'll look at making sure the project's set up, look at the files that were created previously for it, and then take on the next step. So as your Unity project is being compiled and built and is downloading all the different libraries, you may have a different image icon here than I have here. This is for the 2022 version of Unity. Some might be an older version, 2021 or 2020. It has a different image for each of the different versions that you may encounter. So for instance, now that we have our Unity project opened up, the setup is similar to a PC version of Unity, except for all the different menu items are no longer here. They're going to be up way at the very top in your screen on your Mac. The location is a little bit different, but the setup's the same. And then, but the environments, everything's identical. You got your hierarchy, your project folder structure, you got your inspector, you got your scene view and your game view, which all these different panels we're going to cover on the next section of videos. And there we have it. We have our very first project on the Mac build. At the very top, it tells us the name of the project, the version, and then we're all set up. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.